Because we've been talking about that column still all morning, and it's actually right here where they're going to install it. And then once that's done, the pieces are just going to start flowing. We're here with Francesco again. Can you kind of remind everyone your big picture plan that this is kind of setting off with your distillery?
Yeah, so this is a big moment for us, a historic moment. So once we put the still in, it's kind of marking that it's actually going to happen. It's been 13 years in the making, and there's been a lot of time that we've put into this, and a lot of people have helped me to get to this point. And so I'm very thankful for all that. And once the still goes in, this distillery will be fully operational here in the next few weeks, sometime later this year. And then once that happens, we're going to be building a cattle operation. We'll be building more of our farm, and we'll be building a small village with shops and with restaurants, a good Italian restaurant.
When do you think this is all going to be done? This sounds like a lot.
So we have a 15-year plan, but we're about 2 years into it now. So about within the next 13 years, you'll see a nice 2-city block village over here. We'll be restoring the oldest stone home in Kentucky, and we'll be making this a destination distillery for people to stay, enjoy, and then have a really good time with food, family, and good drinks.
Absolutely. And this building is the new David Phillips Craft Distillery, named after you.
Exactly.
And all of this, what is that like?
How wild is that, right? No, I was shocked when he said that, and still to this day am. You know, but it's one of the things that sold me with Francesco is, you know, him naming things after people and everything. It brings the personal side of it into the business. So I appreciate that, and look forward to hopefully that name being on there for many years to come.
And I know a lot of people want to come and visit this place, I'm sure. When do you think everything's going to be ready that they could kind of do a tour? Collectively, what do you guys are thinking?
I'm thinking probably early spring.
Early spring sound like a plan?
Yeah, for sure. This spring we plan on having our first guest here, our first tours, and we were going. The original 15-year plan was 2026, but we can't wait that long.
We got to give the people what they want.
Exactly.
And I know you have a really good relationship with the city of Danville. Quickly tell us a little bit about your idea with the parking so that you can connect the two parts.
Oh yeah, so when our guests come, we'd like them to come right through this downtown part of Danville. What sold me on this area is Danville's such a beautiful community. The downtown, the restaurants, the people, the shops, and so we want our guests to come right through downtown, see what they're, you know, what's here in the city, so they can come visit, and then they'll come here and enjoy our distillery. So we want people to be able to enjoy both.
Well, best of luck to today, the next 5 years, and so on. I know a lot of people are probably excited to come and see you. In the meantime, buy a bottle. There's bottles that you can try, and before you can even come here and get a tour.
Go to the liquor store.
We'll send it to you guys back in studio.